Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to print anything on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to print anything like emails, text messages, or anything you have typed in the Notes app and you want to print it. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your device. For this, you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to click on software update, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your device. And after that you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the email if you want to print email. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open that email, and after opening the email you have to simply click on that email. After that you can simply click on share button, and in share button you will find the print option in three dot option. Now if you want to print the text, then iPhone doesn't provide any facility to print the text directly. But what you have to do, you have to simply open the text and you have to simply paste that text into your Notes app. And after that, what you can do is you can simply click on that share button. After that you will find the option of print here, and here you can simply find print option, and you can simply adjust the paper size, the page range, and also you can adjust the paper settings. In this way you can simply connect it to the paper printer. Any printer is available for you, then you can simply print to that paper printer directly from your iPhone. So in this way you can simply print anything like text, emails, and any conversation you want to print. You will be able to print that on your iPhone without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. And get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.